that you need me, then you go and cut me down. But wait, you tell me that you're sorry, didn't think I'd turn around. You say that it's too late to apologize. It's too late.
What's up, guys? It's Branca Studio.
Hello?
Hey,
Who is it?
Chad.
Dan?
Yeah.
Yeah?
We got your refrigerators.
Huh?
We got your refrigerators.
You have a refrigerator?
Yeah, you ordered 69 of them.
What?
With your ice trays. No batteries included.
You must have the wrong number.
No, I don't.
Yeah.
Yep, this is the right number. So when would you like those refrigerators?
Dang it. I'm not.
Oh. Alright, let's call her back. Let's do that.
Oh, yes.
Branca
Would you not
Studio.
appreciate
Your
this?
call has been forwarded
Oh,
to
let's see a
a
message.
system. 6.
I do not approve your kindness to me. Your kindness is just mean. I don't approve of it. That's just not even funny. Thank you for ordering from refrigerator company thing place. Bye. Alright.
Okay.
See you later, guys.